This is a walk-around and operation video for a 2019 Bobcat T595 skid steer. It is similar to Caterpillar, Kubota, John Deere, and more. It is 65,900 Canadian dollars. It has a 74 horsepower diesel engine with 1,570 hours. It has a 2,200 pound operating capacity. This unit has an hydraulic attachment coupler and Bobcat selective joystick controls, along with hydraulic bucket positioning. It has heat and AC. It has auxiliary hydraulics and the tracks are at 80%. This unit is located in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. We ship anywhere inexpensively. This machine fires right up and operates as it should. Please contact us for more information at edgeequipmentsales.com.